Hydroponics how-to. Hydroponic technology. Hydroponic technology is an innovative way of growing plants. It's designed to meet the specific requirements of plants with the most reliable and efficient methods of nutrient delivery. A hydroponic system must satisfy three major plant requirements. Provide roots with a fresh, balanced supply of water and nutrients. Maintain a high level of gas exchange, and protect against root dehydration. Hydroponic systems can be either active or passive. Active systems recirculate the nutrient solution, while passive systems rely on capillary action, absorption, and gravity. Sand and gravel culture. They can easily be automated in a greenhouse by connecting a timer to a pump to deliver nutrients to plants as needed. Hydroponics and Evironment. Hydroponic systems must meet the three major plant requirements consistently. Efficiency is also important to define operating expenses and prevent disrupting the growing environment. Ancient hydroponic techniques are still used today. The floating gardens of the Mexican Aztecs are an example of how plants obtain water and nutrition directly from a bioponic environment. Aeration and circulation were provided by falling rain or running water. Sophisticated irrigation systems were built to supply water where it was needed most. Sand and gravel culture. Sand has poor aeration qualities due to the small interstitial spaces between the grains. When choosing a soil-free medium for hydroponics, look for good water holding capacity combined with good drainage qualities. This combination will ensure that your choice of mediums will allow the roots to feed, exhaust CO2, and ingest oxygen properly. Recent research has revealed the importance oxygen plays in the root zone. Studies have proven that increased absorption of oxygen by the roots results in healthier, larger, and faster growing crops. The Dutch bucket method and the Rockwool slab drip system. The Dutch bucket method is a popular growing technique used by commercial growers in Holland. This method allows the grower to use just about any growing medium, including coco coir, perlite, leca stone, gravel, and even sand. The Rockwool slab drip system is a simple and common hydroponic method using drip irrigation to deliver nutrient-enriched water to plants grown in Rockwool slabs. Many commercial tomato and pepper growers use this technique, since it is relatively low maintenance and can generally deliver foolproof results. Nutrient Film Technique, NFT. In this method, plants grow on an inverted V-shaped channel with a thin film of nutrient solution passing along the bottom. The NFT provides excellent results. Maintaining the nutrient film can be challenging. The Raft System. This method involves plants supported by baskets floating on a nutrient solution to avoid stagnation. The Raft System is an economical means of producing large quantities of lettuce and mixed greens. Ein Gedi System, EGS. This method is a revolutionary method developed in Israel. This technique involves plants grown in fully enclosed rectangular growth chambers with an oxygenated nutrient solution. The EGS is great for developing seedlings and cuttings into large, healthy plants. Aeroponics. Aeroponic is a method where plant roots are fed and watered mid-air. By suspending plants in baskets and spraying them with a nutrient solution, they receive maximum oxygen and efficient nourishment. This method can increase crop yields by as much as 10 times over soil. The Autopot and vertical gardening. While maintaining 100% relative humidity is crucial for root health, the Autopot and vertical gardening systems offer unique solutions. The Autopot is a self-feeding planter that eliminates wasted water and nutrients, while vertical gardening saves greenhouse space. Vertigro's Aeroponics system was even used at Disney's Epcot Center.